Hi there, minions of technology. What's going on? My name is Tim Lee. Welcome to Legacy Studio as we are in Drift 2, and I'm here to play. I have been trying to get my Oculus to behave nicely with me. It's been quite an experience so far. Which one do I want here? I actually want less power in this situation, I think. So I'm just going to do a little drifting here at the Dirtfish and give this a little test. I have a full-blown setup here where I'm doing the VR side of things. I got a really nice steering wheel and pair of pedals, so I can really do this right. I even have the upgraded clutch so that I can use that in this, and that makes it extra interesting and fun. I've been trying to learn how to drift, and I found my car-ish, which kind of gets me in that ballpark area. Now, if everything goes according to plan here, hopefully it looks fairly smooth, and hopefully I can mix my video and my audio properly. We'll have to see. All right, here we go in 3D mode, and already I can see my neck. That's going to be a problem. Let's fix that really quick. We're going to go to Reset View, get comfortable, and reset. There we go. And continue. Okay, so, good. I can shift, and... Alright. Alright, let's put it into first. And just take this little guy for a test spin before I do anything too stupid. So. And as I am doing this, I am actually fully... I am using paddle shifters. I'd love to get an actual shifter. But yes, so far, I am actually... putting in the clutch, shifting, and pulling up the clutch, and doing everything accordingly. Here's a downshift. So the goal here is to be able to record more VR stuff and be able to play a few more games on the computer through my Quest 2. Probably should have shifted a bit earlier. Alright, let's see if we can have a little bit of fun now. Rear-wheel drive, well, full-wheel drive is the way to go, so four-wheel drive. Let's see what this thing can do. Let's see what I can do, really. Downshift. You know, just riding the grass. Oops. I never said I was good at this. I think I could do some reasonable donuts. Whoa, interesting. That wasn't supposed to happen. Downshift. E-brake. E-brake! And whoa! Yeah, no, I didn't wreck, I promise. I honestly didn't, which is very good. And e-brake! Yoink! Nowhere to stop except hitting a wall! Aww! Car's fine, Mommy, I promise. Well, switched cables. Hopefully this one's not going to screw up on me as easily. Wishful thinking, but we'll see. My other one froze up. Everything just shut down randomly. Everything seems smooth. Brake is on.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go.
Oh, that was a really bad start. Okay.
Into 6 left, tightens 5,
okay.
60.
Alright, I've learned taking your time is better than
opens 200.
trying to rush. Oh, this is really proving my point.
tightens over crest.
Did I already break my mirror? I might have.
80.
Not
5
paying.
right long over crest. 60.
Why do I keep going into this gutter? Okay. All right. Okay.
Caution. 5 left, tightens over crest. Keep in. 80.
Oh, crud.
5 right over crest. Opens, keep middle of a crest. Into 5 left.
There we go. Uh-oh.
And
Uh-oh.
6 right. Opens, keep middle of a big jump.
Keep
Into
middle
5 right.
of a big jump. This one, I guess. Why is it
Into
so
6
dark?
left, very long. Tightens 5 over crest.
It is so dark.
150.
I can't see a thing.
35 left of a crest. 30.
Okay.
4
If you
right
say
of a
so.
dip. Open 6. Extra long of a crest.
Alright, so I think that my problem...
To keep middle of a jump. 50. Jump.
I'm not going to solve any problems right now. I'm just trying to drive straight.
And keep middle of a jump. Into
Middle of a
6
jump.
left. Tightens of a crest long. And 5 right. Tightens long.
You guys better not be telling me how to drive.
50.
Because, no, I don't know what I'm doing. And yes, I do drive manual on a daily basis and love it.
Keep left of a crest. Into 4 left. Opens of a crest.
But not racing and not in a video game kind of mode.
200. Over bumps. Keep right of a jump. Into 6 right long. Tightens 5. Extra long. Over crest. Junction.
Okay. Uh-oh. Oh,
50.
man, so lucky.
Keep middle of a big jump. 30.
Yeah, sure.
6 right tightens. 5 left. Very long of a crest.
I'm so bad at
Opens
this.
Tightens of a crest. Caution 50.
Why do I keep rolling
6
into
right
this?
long.
Oh, that actually helps.
Tightens 3 of a crest. 60. Keep left of a crest. Into 3 left. Open 6 long.
Yeah.
Keep middle of a crest. Into 6 right of a jump.
It's a really fun game, even though
Into
I'm
6
terrible at
left
it.
long. Over jumps. 50. 5 left of a crest. 70. Crest into 5 right. Open 6. Extra long of a crest. 60.
Whatever he said. And I would totally talk more, like try and talk through this, but I'm listening to him.
6 left of a jump. 50. Caution. 4 left of a crest.
Caution for left of a crest, whatever
100.
that means. Oh, that's what that means. Can I back up? Can I? Where's my reverse? Reverse? Where's the? Oh no, it's up there. First. I think we might have lost, but I'm just not. Which way are we supposed to be going? This way? I'm gonna assume so and hope I'm right. Okay. I hope I got it.
Into 4 right of a crest.
I did.
And 6 left, very long. Opens of a jump. 60. 6 right of a crest. Opens long of a jump, maybe. Keep right of 80. 6 left long. Tightens 5 of a crest.
I always thought it would be cool to get a
150.
force feedback steering wheel and like have a bit more of a simulation, and then VR came into play with that, which is just twice as cool. Though it is a little blurry and glitchy and weird, it's still pretty fun. No! Hold on, Nigel, whatever your name is, with a crazy awesome accent. We're not going that way, right?
Keep left of a crest. And 6 left, very long of a crest.
My
Tightens
poor car.
4 of a crest.
Look at the hood.
100.
Sheesh. Oh, wait a minute. What? Do what? Not that way.
4
Not that
right
way.
of a crest,
Not that way.
opens 200 over bumps. Caution.
Would you
Trailing
give me a
5
second?
left of a crest.
Shut up and give me a second. Oh, this car is looking pretty bad. I killed Herbie. Through my goggles, I really can't see my goggles. Through the VR goggles, I really can't see very well in front of me.
6 right long.
But I still prefer it to
Over
a screen.
finish.
Oh, to the finish. We're finally at the finish.
80 to stop.
Oh, that was miserable. Oh, drive straight. I'm just going to stay right here. Is that okay? Am I still... I'm still... Are
That
we done?
stage was tough, but it felt fast.
Did it really? Okay. I'm not going to say that you're going to see more of this on this YouTube channel, because this is all just testing and having fun tonight. But yeah, I've been messing with this, trying to get it to work, and trying to find a smooth flow for how I could make videos on games on my computer using the Quest 2 to record them. I don't know if this is a good smooth system, but at least I'm getting some theories. So if you did enjoy it, whether I continue this mode of gameplay or not, hit the like button. If you're curious about how I did all this kind of setup and stuff, we can talk about that more in a future video. But I'm going to leave it at that. Thank you so much for watching. And if you're wondering why there's a bunch of jewelry behind me, this is my wife's, and it was on the other side of my studio, and was in my other shots on the other side of the studio. So I moved it over here because it would be out of shot. And then I thought, I'm going to use this side for the VR side. You get where that goes. So now I got to figure out where to move her jewelry again. All right. I'll see you next time. Bye.